This is a step-by-step battery replacement for the MacBook Pro 16-inch 2019. Tools: Pentalobe P6, Torx T5, plastic spudger, tweezers, ESD wrist strap and the replacement battery. Safety first, unplug power, power off, wear an ESD strap, and never puncture or bend the battery. Estimated time for this job is 30 to 45 minutes in a static-free, well-lit workspace. Flip the MacBook, remove the 6 pentalobe screws, and store them in order on a magnetic tray. Gently lift the bottom case with a spudger to expose the internals without forcing it. Locate the battery connector at the logic board and disconnect it carefully with a plastic spudger. Remove any battery screws, apply low heat to soften adhesive, and peel adhesive strips slowly and evenly. Lift each battery cell gently and remove the old battery pack from the chassis, avoiding any twisting or puncture. Place the new battery in position, align its connector with the board, and press the adhesive to secure each cell. Reconnect the battery connector, replace the bottom case, and tighten the pentalobe screws in the same order. Power on, check battery health and cycle count in settings, fully charge to calibrate. If you see swelling or damage, stop and consult a professional.